Good day everyone! So ngayon, hahanapin natin yung standard form of an ellipse with the given f is equal to 0, 0, and 4, 0. And the major axis, which is equal to 6. So to find the standard form, una nating hahanapin yung center. Then to find the center, mag-graph muna tayo. Here. So we have an f equal to 0, 0, so here, then 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, here. So, kita naman dito yung center, which is here. So, our center is 2, 0. So, ito na yung meron tayo. Next is, hanapin natin yung A, B, C. Or A squared, B squared, and C squared. To find the A squared, we have our major axis. So, our major axis is always equal to 2A. So, here, the major axis is equal to 6. Equal to 2a. So we have to divide it by 2. 2, cancel, cancel. So we have 6 over 2. Then 6 over 2 is 3. So a is equal to 3. So we have our 3 squared. Next is, to find, next naman is yung C. Yung C is equal siya sa distance ng focus and center. So here sa 0, 0, ang distance niya ay 1, 2. So we have our 2 squared. Then, to find B, B squared is equal to A squared minus C squared. So, our A squared is 3 squared minus yung C is 2. So, it is 2 squared. So, solve lang natin siya, which this is 3 squared. So, it's 9 minus 4. So, our B squared is equal to 5. So, here na yan, 5. Then, since ito ay 3 squared, then is 4. So, 9 and 4. Pwede na natin siyang i-standard form. So, kita naman here sa graph na our standard form is horizontal. Horizontal is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1. So, sa given, ang ating center ay 2, 0. So, it's x minus 2 squared over a is 9. Then, plus y. Since 0 siya, wala na siya. So, squared na lang over rb is 5 equal to 1. So, here. Here are standard form. So, here we have another example with the given center is equal to 3 and 2 and a is equal to 3c. Then, we have f equal to 1 and 2 and 5 and 2. So, to find the standard form, we have to graph again. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, here our focus is 1. So, 1 and 2. So, it's here. Then, the other one is 5 and 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, here, it's here. So, our center is 3 and 2. So, it's here. So, next step is we have to find the A, B, C. So, our A is 3C. So, here we have C. So, we have to solve for C. So, the C is equal to the distance of the center to the focus. So, here, the distance of the center to the focus is 2. So, we have 2. So, to solve for A, so it's 3C. So, our C is equal to 2. So, it's equal to 6. So, our A is equal to 6. So, to solve for B, we have to square this all. So, A squared, B squared, and C squared. So, we have our A, 6 squared is 36, then B, wala pa. Then C is 4, kasi 2 squared is 4. Then we have our B, so B squared is equal to A squared minus C squared. So, our A squared is 36. So, here muna tayo sa ano. So, 36 minus 4, so 32. So, our B squared is 32. So, ayun na lahat. So, hanapin na natin yung orientation niya. So, kita naman dito na ang orientation ay horizontal. Horizontal standard form is equal to x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1. Here's the horizontal standard form. So, substitute na natin. So, x minus h, which is here, 3 squared over a is 36 plus y minus here 2 squared over 32. equal to 1. So here are standard form. So here we have another problem to solve. So for this problem, we have to find the center, vertices, and foci. So to find the center, makikita natin siya agad dito sa standard form, which is 3 and 2. Negative 3 and positive 2. So to find naman the vertices and foci, we have to find muna the a squared, b squared, and c squared. So, kita naman sa standard form natin, ang orientation niya is vertical. So, ang vertical is x minus h squared over b squared plus y minus k squared over a squared equal to 1. So, kita natin dito na ang a squared is equal to 16, then ang b squared is equal to 12. Then, para mahanap natin si c, we have to solve for c squared is equal to square root of a squared minus b squared. So, equal siya sa 16 square root of 16 minus 12, which is equal to square root of 4. So, ang square root ng 4 ay 2. So, c is equal to 2. So, ito ay equal. So, 4, and then 3.46, then 2. Yun na yun, 2. Then, we have to solve naman na for vertices and foci. So, ang formula ng vertices is V1 is equal to H and K plus A. And then yung V2 naman is equal to H and K minus A. So, to solve for vertices 1 is V is equal to H. Ang H natin ay negative 3. So, it's negative 3 and yung K is positive 2 plus ang ating A is 4 plus 4. So, it's equal to negative 3 and positive 6. Then, we have our V2 equal to negative 3 and 2 minus 4. So, we have negative 3 and negative 2. So, ito yung mga vertices natin. Then, for foci naman, we have the formula H and K plus C, and then for foci 2 is H, K minus C. So, to solve for it is, yan, substitute lang. So, F1 is equal to negative 3 and 2 plus yung C natin is 2. So, we have negative 3 and positive 4. So, for F2 is equal to negative 3 and 2 minus 2. So, we have negative 3 and 0. So, ito na yon. So, our center is negative 3 and positive 2. Then, the vertices is negative 3 and 6. Then, yung other is negative 3 and negative 2. So, the F is negative 3 and positive 4. Then, yung isa ay negative 3 and 0. So, ito na yon. Here. So, here we have another example, 12x squared plus 20y squared minus 12x plus 40y minus 37. For this example, we have to solve for the standard form first. So, 12x squared minus 12x plus 20y squared plus 40y equal to 37. So, we need to factor out the 12. 12x squared minus x plus blank plus 20y squared plus 2y plus blank equal to 37 plus blank. So, here is 0.25 and then here is 1. So, 12 times 0.25 is 3. Then 20 times 1 is 20. So, we have 12x minus 0.5 squared plus 20y plus 1 squared equal to 60. So, divided by 60. We have x minus 0.5 squared over 5 plus y plus 1 squared over 3 equal to 1. So, here's the standard form. Since we have the standard form, we can find the center, vertices, and foci. To find the center, we have here at the standard form 0.5 and negative 1. For vertices and foci, let's find first the A, B, C. or a squared, b squared, and c squared. To find the a squared, we have here the standard form. As you can see here, it's horizontal. So our a squared is 5. And then our b squared is 3. To find the c squared, we have to solve for c squared equal to square root of a squared minus b squared. So our a squared is 5, and then our b squared is 3. So we have square root of 2. Or then the square root of 2 is 1.41. So here we have the ABC, so we can now solve for vertices and foci. So for vertices, we have the formula H plus A and K. Then for V2, we have H minus A and K. So to find the V1 is equal to H, which is 0.5, then plus A. So A squared, so square root of 5 is equal to 2.24. So we have 0.5 plus 2.24 and K equal to 2.74 and negative 1. Then V2 is equal to 0.5 minus 2.24 and negative 1. So our V2 is negative, we have negative 1.75 and negative 1. So this is our vertices. Then for foci, we have the formula F, H plus C, and K. Then for F2, we have H minus C and K. So to solve for F1, we have 0.5 plus 1.41 is 0.5. So we have 1.91 and negative 1. Then for F2, we have 0.5 minus 1.41 and negative 1. Then we have now 0.91. So negative 0.91 and negative 1. So here are foci. So for vertices, we have 2.74 and negative 1 and negative 1.75 and negative 1. And the foci is we have 1.91 and negative 1, and the other one is 0.91 and negative 1. Negative 0.91. So here are the center and vertices and foci.